Yeah. Okay, GJ is opened. Yeah. Okay. I see what's happening. Yeah. Well, look at GJ, Gavin. Just like what I spoke about in the morning about the volume. You must look at this properly. So next time, when you see something like this, you can take advantage of it.
Yeah. We need to watch, but see, it wicked up. Was that the day? No, day is still far.
Not so far. You must do something on the higher time frame baseline. If you get a big drop, the baseline will also move with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You might check the levels on the price action where the candles are heading to.
Yeah.
Nevertheless, that's GJ ready for NASDAQ. Gold, you done a sell, isn't it?
Yeah. But
Yeah.
only a quick announcement.
Yeah, check how fast it pulled back.
Yeah. But it dropped way lower when after I came out too. It done a slight retest and it went down.
It's bouncing off the 1 hour baseline now.
1728 I entered.
I think might drop more too, huh? I don't know, because the 4 hour, the daily is still a buy.
10
Forward.
pips.
10 pips is 10 pips, man. Should have tried for 20. You see, you need to know your pips. I told you that work on how much you're willing to risk on a trade and how much you're willing to take out of the trade.
Mm.
Always do that there. So if you enter, you know you're securing at 10 pips and you're leaving one behind as a runner. And
Yeah.
obviously you got to know where you're closing the runner also.
Yeah.
Okay, so going to NASDAQ right now. Start off with price action always, not price action first, always technicals first. Oh, look at that. Daily has broke the baseline. Beautiful. Beautiful. This NASDAQ is going down today. But I don't think straight away going down, but for potential, a drop going to happen today. Again,
Yeah.
yes,
See, look
sir.
at that. Beautiful. You can get a nice pullback today.
Yeah, you get the pullback, but after analysis, I'll tell you what we're going to look for sells. But I'll tell you, give you the points. Look at the 15 minutes first. 15 minutes is about 550 pips away. At the 1 hour, we'll wait for 15 minutes to do analyzing. I don't like doing it so soon because then it changes.
Yeah, I asked to change.
Mm-hmm. But a really strong sell on the 30 minutes, yeah. On the 1 hour also.
4 hour too. Oh, it's very far, man.
Yeah.
2,000. Wow.
Thousands, huh?
So then you can do your price action then.
Yeah, I'm
Go
doing.
by.
See, yesterday we never do that visualizing too.
Yeah.
Because you took so long to come on the Zoom, that's a problem.
You then don't send the link.
Um, see that level that GJ is on right now. It might give you one more touch on 149,690 again. But if it breaks it off this time, you're in the game.
They need to be in the game.
If it comes back down.
0.4 pips away.
Might get it. Might
That's
get it.
alright. 13 pips. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
But, had like a 5 pip drop.
That's fine. Should have added on another position on that 5 pips.
Yes, though. I told her. No.
But it's good because you're coming from a loss. You can't overdo it, on the first day.
Get the brain back.
Yeah.
Emotion. That motion.
Okay, with NASDAQ, I think the level is 12700. That's a very suffocation. Was a suffocation. So what's that word? A suffocation. No. A very highly sophisticated. Something. No, not. You can use delicate. Yeah. Delicate would be better.
Sophisticated.
Yeah, no, not that word. I can't remember the word now. But I say this level is very, very strong. Because if you look at the 1 hour now, the 1 hour the last time, see what you see on NASDAQ right now, right? Is, see this box over here. This is a big level.
No. Only lines there, huh? Yeah.
Well, these lines help me. All right. And well, I can see very clearly. Okay, so with the big levels now, we have this level and we got that level. So it's 2 big levels now. If you look clearly, you can see it if you block off the lines.
Yeah.
Yellow too.
Hey, yellow.
Okay.
My one. Yeah, I see.
You see that box there? You can make your own boxes. I'm not taking my lines out. Keshni tells me all the time, take your lines out. I reckon, no. See, when it's zoomed in, it doesn't look so bad. But you see now, when I'm in the trade, I don't have to go look for those zones. It's there already. So I know, okay, if it's breaking down here, like now NASDAQ, if it breaks below here, I know I'm full on with sells. But what I'm thinking now, with price action will be opened in like 1 more minute left, and then I'll tell you. But what we're seeing is, let's go to the pens now. See, we want this to drop.
Such a big movie.
Yeah, massive. And we can get this candle coming all the way to this point here, and probably wicking down, maybe like that. It's something like that. But we need a close, correct? We have to have a close coming underneath here. But if we don't get a close underneath there, then what's going to happen? The price is going to, the price will pull back. Now, if this price closes here, you're going to get something like maybe that. Wait. Why is this thing? I don't like when these things move over. All right, there we go. And then got that. Right. If it opens above here, you might see something like this going to happen. Might get that push up. Maybe this zone, maybe there. Or if it fakes out even more, it might go there. But I think this 2 levels will be maximum. If it starts pushing higher, yeah, then the trend is going to turn. Yeah. But I see maybe a push up there, but after that, when I'm entering my cells, if I get this pullback, then I'm taking it all the way down. I'm going to calculate the puts just now. So that's what it's saying. Because if it breaks below the zone, you got this clean candle to the left here that it's going to mirror. That's around 1,000 pips under the zone here. There's 1,000 pip candle that it can mirror. Yeah, you can see that candle on the 1 hour.
Yeah. But if we don't get sells, what if it reverses?
Then I won't take no buys. No buys. I'm not going on buys at all. I will not go against the buys. But I'm sure we might get the pullback today, the way I'm seeing it. Happens, it happens. I'll be too scared to take a sell where it is now, is because to hold a drawback, a drawdown like that, it's not going to be a good sign. I'd rather wait. If I can get an entry, like maybe somewhere there, or maybe there, I'll be more safer now because I know my stop loss is not too far away. If I'm going to enter a sell there, and this price pushes all the way up here, then this is not like yesterday. If you looked at yesterday it was very close to the baseline. We never take advantage of yesterday, unfortunately. Today is a different story altogether. Yeah, and VP said, don't worry about the news. It's all fake. It's already priced out everything. We think, like, there's a lot of examples he gave about the news. Huh? He says, only check Forex Factory. If it's a red news, then you worry about it. Do you have any red news?
No.
And according to him, he says, only look at Forex Factory. Don't look at any other. But yeah, you see about stocks now we're trading. Yeah, the daily is breaking.
What do you mean breaking?
Daily is breaking, broke the baseline.
No, but now closed.
Well, indicators are giving you the indication already that it's going as a sell. Might get another good sell coming up. And the weekly failed to break. You hardly get the weekly so strong on NASDAQ. Most of the time, it's not this strong.
This could be a big move going back down. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Just have to know when to enter the right price.
Yeah.
Because now, if we think about it, we want price to drop down so much, so we need a big pullback for that.
Yeah. So that's why I say, take the sell at the pullback. Or you can, if you're scalping, then you must wait for it to start pushing down and then you scalp as it's pushing down. But now, whenever you're scalping, right, you must always look at where the price is. Like just say if you see the price is dropping here now and you want to scalp a sell, never take that sell when it's close to the zone. Take it halfway. And then you're safe now because you know if it pulls back, you can easily come out of the trade. That's how you must do it. Like just say, for example, if this candle wasn't printed yet and you want to sculpt a cell, you have confirmation that I can sculpt it to get to this area because you're safe, you're in the center. Or maybe on the top, as it broke here, you close it, you sculpt a cell. You know you're in the zone to sculpt it. Once you know price is reversing back up, you can easily come out of that sculpt. So your sculpts has to be in very, very good places. You know, you need the best.
Yeah.
I'm thinking a major pullback might happen, huh?
Yeah, we got that levels. Let's see, that will guide us.
Saying maybe around there. But you must know this level was rejected a lot of times, huh? But no, this time it's breaking. See, previously when it tried to break, it was nothing like this. There was not enough. This has enough volume to break it. But we can't just have our hopes on full on cells, yeah? You know, things can happen. Weird shit can happen. You have to be prepared for either way. I'll do my analysis now. Let's go on the 30 minutes. Start off with the 30 minutes. You must do analysis too on your own. See what you see and then write it down. Must get in the habit of writing it down every day so it like programs in you. Get it stored in you. You want a long-term memory. Because when emotions get involved, you forget everything. Maybe you might just get a touch on the baseline, no? On the 1 hour, maybe. Because you know what I'm saying. Always when price drops down and the 1 hour, always go back up to retest the 1 hour baseline and then it continues the drop. See, at this time, the 1 hour dropped hard, but it never touched the baseline as yet. So potentially you might get a touch on the 30 minutes or the 1 hour. But last time I saw the 15 minutes giving it and the rest didn't. It reversed from there. So also you have to consider the 30 minutes also, the 15.
But it was a big move like this.
Very similar. There's very seldom days that I see the exact same setup. You don't actually see the exact same thing, but you'll have to try to like make sense of it on your own. So that picture I put, if it's not visible, don't trade it.
Oh, yes. The Sakhad one, the Manati.
No, man.
There.
So if it's I, hey, the 4 hours, 2,000 pips away. Whoa. Yeah, but no.
Kinda. Let us see what happens here. Because where it wicked down to, it can just reject there and pull back up.
Mm-hmm.
Get that. Luke Skywalker. Ready, fam. We got 5 minutes in counting. Goldilocks.
It's cold today, yeah?
Yeah, but chilly.
Another thing you must do I notice when we're trading, you must be fully focused on trading only. Like every topic we must speak about is only forex, nothing else. It can be something else, but must be forex. Like if it's mindset or whatever the case is, you mustn't get any other things distracting you. We're taking this to the next level now. Time to level up. You like to level up.
Nice to level up. Level up, level up. Sounds so yummy.
He caught something. I don't know what he's playing with.
That one. 2 minutes.
So we're looking for that pullback, huh?
Yeah. But if price starts breaking that level, then we know.
Going straight in. Maybe there too. How many pips is that? 800. That's a lot. Maybe, yeah. On this zone, yeah. 390 pip drawdown. The candle keeps on breaking it, then you know you have to halt. No rush. Trades will come to us.
Come to us. Like that. And we are on.
We are on, fam. Just be careful, huh? Don't want to enter it there and then it's gonna pull back because it's in that on that zone.
Yeah.
Pullback is happening.
Mm.
Getting ready now. I want it to touch that first zone. I'm gonna enter the first position on that high there. Getting close to the 30 minutes, 15 minutes too.
Still a bit far.
Yeah, it needs to push more, man. I'm thinking of starting to add now because it's in the center, so I'm gonna add my first one just in case. But my main ones are on the top here. I say you rather wait for the top. But if you see it drop flipping back bullish, then you got more confirmation.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's start it.
Yeah.
Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Price is moving so fast. Even my phone can't keep up.
You never entered yet?
No.
Yeah, you must
A
get
lot
it.
of opportunities like this.
Yeah.
I wait for the
Once it start melting, I'm entering. I'm entering. I know my target here.
never
Right, it's almost at that peak, huh? Right, almost there. How's the 30 minutes baseline now? 15 minutes is almost there. 30 minutes is also there.
Yeah.
I think that should be the area, huh? Unless it's not gonna come. No, I don't think so.
On the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Start breaking. Then expect the 4 hour to come into play.
No, I don't want to play with the 4 hour. 4 hour is too far away.
Yeah, if it breaks the 1 hour,
Now then I'll be out of the trade then. Perfect place there. Is it breaking?
yeah. But it never closed, so I don't know.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the moment, Gavin.
Yeah.
This is the moment we see what
Moment of truth. It closes above here, it's going back up. Above this range.
I was thinking about taking the buys to go up the baseline, but I said no, just stick with one. Stick with one setup.
Yeah. Flying, huh?
3.01.
Yeah.
Baby shark 2.2.
See this level here.
Going up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We knew it. I drew it right here to on the zone, yeah.
Should have bought, huh?
Should have, could have. Why are you on cells?
Yeah, I'm in one cell. So it's 400 pups to draw down now.
I'm also in drawdown now.
We got 2 minutes for the 15 to close.
Staying composed and disciplined in the market will keep you in the game.
Smokey smoke on smoke. 'Cause underneath.
Don't worry about the 15 minutes. Focus on the 30.
Okay. That is still open.
Fifteen minutes closed underneath. That's good. right? I mean,
Okay.
hmm, it's a freaky trade, man.
Lucky man. Yeah.
Freaky Friday.
They just wait for our 30th.
Yeah.
Ooh. Stop kidding. Pushed up quite a bit.
Yeah, yeah,
But at least it never break that other high it made.
yeah.
We know once price start breaking that, it's gonna go even higher.
We
Expect
don't,
more
we,
OT.
we, we don't want it to do that. Whatever.
It's alright. We got our 30 minutes just now. It's gonna provide for us. I'll add one more if the 30 closes nice. Just now this price gonna break. Wait for it. Just wait for it. We know you're trying to bluff us.
I'm locking some positions. Stop loss to break even now.
I'll lock my lower position
Okay.
just to be safe. This is the one.
I want 1,000 Rand on this trade. I'm on 950 now. Going to 1,000, 900, 900 again.
What lot size?
One lot.
Oh,
1,000, 1,000. Come on, 1,000, 1,000. Yes, that's it. Ah, shit. I closed it before 1,000. Yo. Yo, I made 1,000 rand on this trade, yeah. And the other ones are
how's the
making.
drawdown?
No, man, I entered on the top, man.
Oh, yeah. That was 1,000 pops.
Yeah.
Almost.
And I secured the other ones now. Closing that one. Closing this one, yeah. What a trade, man. What a trade. What a trade. What a freaking trade. What a freaking trade, boy.
Let's see what happens with the betting. You secure all.
No, I got two. I entered 3 lots of you. I got just one running now. Stop loss to break even. You entered on the top, Gavin?
No. In the center.
I told you wherever I entered, I told you where I entered.
I made 92 cents.
I made 1.9.
Yeah, I'm getting back. Yeah. Just so we can get back in the groove.
Yeah. You got a runner.
No, sir. I'm out. I am out, fam. I'm out. Imagine like once it goes over the baseline, then you stack on. That's what you was doing.
I waited for that position, I told you. I entered small on the... Once it started rejecting the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, and you know when you see the candle coming back underneath, that's where I entered.
Yeah, and it's not,
Yeah, that's what
I
I...
saw it there too, but I said, nah, it's fine.
No, you have to build confidence in this year. You have to see it all the time. Yeah, now I think it's going to push back up, huh? But I'm going to hold it. It was so hard because I had 2 accounts that I opened the trade on.
Yeah. It was a delicate situation.
That's what we spoke about it. That's what you execute on, what you speak about. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not like we never expect this. I drew the candle for you, and the candle stopped exactly where I told you it's gonna stop.
I got my levels there.
Yeah, you saw it, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna give us a melt now. What do you think?
Depends on the next close. 1 hour close. 1 hour where is it close?
See, the thing is, I don't look at profits. I just enter without looking at the money. Yeah, I don't look at the money. I enter the trade and I come on another trading chart with no entries.
Yeah. Can't enter because you're getting bullish candles now.
Hmm.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Shots are delayed. What you downloading?
Nothing.
Don't die, yeah?
You saw your losses, the days you hit losses, and when you come back the next day, you saw how much more profits you make.
No. Oh, you make more?
Yeah,
Only
more.
$4. Yep.
I think my stop,
Add one to alert. So
my B is gonna get hit.
yeah.
I'm gonna hit
Stops.
BE soon.
It could be, yeah. Could be it's dying off. I can see the 30 minutes how it is. Indicators are starting.
Yeah.
The daily just touched that other day's one and bounced up. On the wick, been touched. They're like magnets. Maybe this 1 hour will give you a slight pullback.
Hopefully.
See. Oh my, that thing is not working. Oh,
One more minute. Come on, come on.
30 minutes is about that.
Shit. Your character. This buy is looking good, but if you look at it from the 30 minutes and the one, but I'm not going to take it. Nope. There's still low volume on the 1 hour. Could be a fake out, huh? Possible. Possible. No, it's not a fake out. B was hit.
It is what it is.
BE was hit. It was a very risky trade, Gavin.
Yeah. Lucky. Secured at least. This is going to the forward now. Hey, later it will continue that 9 o'clock move, pushing it back down.
Possible that could have happened. Yeah, it could happen. Do you want to trade the 9 o'clock today? You know that trade, the last one I sent you was 2 Rand 55. That trade was making 120 Rand.
Yeah. Look at that.
Imagine that, huh? From 220 Rand to 2 Rand 55. Yeah, it is what it is. Can't do nothing. Just another day of trading.
You know, we could have got the buys too, huh? And then say, okay, secure, and enter the sell.
Could have done that too, but as I told you, I'm only going to stick with one.
Yeah.
Stuck with one.
DJ quickly.
Let me check GJ. Then a trade. Hey, GJ is pushing, man. Yo, you're still holding the buy.
Yeah.
Away. And the 4 hour closed.
He's making $2.
Making
Yeah.
$2.80.
Yeah. Just watch the daily baseline if it's going to touch it or if it's going to.
Yeah. Now I got TP there. $5 TP.
Oh, yeah.
Not bad for a 0.0. 150.
You saw?
150, 100.
You saw that level, but where it is now, huh?
Where it is now, let's see.
Expect
Smaller time frame.
when you do trades like this and you're holding it, okay, so it's going to go to this level here, 149,886, right around there. That's its peak. But when it reaches there, expect it to come back down to push more higher. So you've got to have that in your mind now. Like, okay, if it's going to go up there, it is bound to pull back and then go up again.
Are we securing? Yeah, we're securing now.
Yeah, secure. If you like to secure, you secure. You saw what happened with me. I told you 120 Rand profit to 2 Rand 55 cents.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah, you saw the peak on the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lucky closed it. Yes, we'll have a slight pullback.
Yeah, you expect a pullback and then a harder push up.
Yeah, time 11.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do that.
Hey, yesterday you saw it reversed at New York time.
Nope.
Yeah, I told you my stop loss is gonna get hit, and just got hit, and then it started reversing.
Oh, yeah. Pretty bullshit.
All right, Mooks, I'm gonna see you at. I will host the Zoom at 8:30 tonight.
Yeah.
Remember now,
Alrighty then.
8:30 till 9 o'clock, right? 9 o'clock. This is how you must schedule yourself now. So from 8:30. Okay, no, not 8:30. It's at quarter to 8, quarter to 9. As it gets to 9 o'clock, we still have to wait 30 minutes for the candle to do what it needs to do. At 9:30,
Yeah.
we execute the trade. At 10 o'clock, we're out of the trade. Sometimes longer, depending how much longer we're on the hold the trade. But remember, it's on a testing phase. You have to have the mindset of not over-risking. I don't over-risk at this time. I only do 0.10 2 times.
Yeah. Good idea.
Mm-hmm. Lekker.
Alrighty. Liquor.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See y'all. Don't overtrade.
Yeah.
Si-
Meditation now.
Yes, sir. Lekker. Hey,
Liquor.
do the no-nonsense videos, man. Even download it and save it and watch it every day. At least one video a day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Lekker.
Righto. Liquor.
Aye.
Right.
It'd be a good one if the price is heading to the 4-hour baseline.
Yeah, possible. We'll check it out throughout the day what happens.
Oh, you got your headsets on. You're gonna play games, you dog.
Yeah. I was gonna go meditate first.
Oh, okay. All right, Laka.
Laka.
All right. Bye-bye.